In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to find keyboard shortcuts in Google Docs. If you've ever wanted to navigate Google Docs more efficiently, or simply love using shortcuts to save time, you're in the right place. Let's explore a couple of ways you can easily access a full list of keyboard shortcuts that Google Docs has to offer. First up, let's talk about using a simple keyboard shortcut to find more keyboard shortcuts. Yes, you heard that right. If you're on a Windows or Chrome OS device, you can quickly access the shortcut menu by pressing Ctrl and the slash key, which looks like a forward slash. For those using a Mac, you'll want to press Command and the same slash key instead. This little trick will instantly bring up a handy pop-up window that lists all the available keyboard shortcuts you can use in Google Docs. It's a great way to familiarize yourself with these time-saving tools without having to search around for them. Now, if you're not one for remembering too many shortcuts or just prefer a different method, you can also find these shortcuts through the menus. This method is pretty straightforward. Start by looking at the top toolbar of your Google Docs interface. You'll see a list of menu options there, and what you're looking for is the Help menu. Once you spot it, go ahead and click on it. A drop-down menu will appear, and from there, all you need to do is select the option labeled Keyboard Shortcuts. This selection will bring up the same pop-up window you'd see with the keyboard shortcut method. Both approaches, either the keyboard shortcut or navigating through the menu, will give you access to the same comprehensive list. It's just about choosing the method that feels most intuitive and convenient for you. This pop-up window is incredibly helpful because it not only lists shortcuts, but categorizes them by different tasks like editing, formatting, and so on, making it much simpler to find exactly what you need. Whether you're just getting started with Google Docs or have been using it for a while, mastering these shortcuts can significantly enhance your productivity. And there you have it, 2 straightforward methods to access keyboard shortcuts in Google Docs. Remember, the more you practice using these shortcuts, the more naturally they will come to you, saving you precious time and making your document editing experience smoother. So give them a try and see how much more efficient you can be. Thank you for tuning in, and happy documenting.